in a way that that the bigger UK parties have not done so. You have links to them all on the site, which certainly the Conservatives and the Labour Party do not. And it's a great way of encouraging people who've got a voice, and it's a great way of encouraging elected representatives to develop a dialogue with their electorate, which they couldn't do in any other way, because you can say what you want, when you want, to whom you want. You don't have mainstream media journalists editing what you say all the time, and you don't just get the one-line quote in the Western Mail. You can actually explain exactly what you meant by a speech. So I think that's the message for the party, to embrace blogs, recognise that there will be times when they cause the party embarrassment, but just you accept it and you move on. It happens. You're not going to get a sort of a perfect situation where everyone says everything